Hey everybody, it's your girl Chantelly. Welcome back to my channel. For everybody that's new, welcome to the channel. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, today I'm gonna cook my specialty jerk chicken. I figure since we're all trapped in the house, we might as well have something nice to eat, right? First off, before you do anything, you gotta wash your hands. Then we need to make sure our entire work area is clean. So got my Lysol wipes. Gonna clean down my stove area. And then also if you like gloves.
These are the ingredients that I got from the store. 3 items were not available, the habaneros, and neither was green peppers. There wasn't any nutmeg nor ginger seasoning. Okay, so first I put in the minced onions, then thyme, then olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then allspice, then cinnamon. Of course, you know, if you have the hot peppers, nutmeg, and ginger, add that as well. Then jerk seasoning, then added lemon juice, and orange juice into my saucepan. And now we're adding brown sugar, and then white sugar. If you have a blender, it's best to blend it first in the blender, but if not, just stir harder in the saucepan and just be sure to pulse until it's mostly smooth. We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350, and then we're ready for our second step. We're going to place chicken into a large roasting pan or baking dish, about 350 Fahrenheit for breast. You can even go as high as 375 for thighs, which we're doing thighs tonight.
I want to go back over to the studio and plug my cash out. Hey, if you're liking what you're seeing, you're liking the videos, want me to keep churning out some more, show some love and give your girl a donation and my cash out. It's $ Cherokee. So CHEROK with a 3. Let's see. Before we continue, I also want to tell you about where you can find me. All of my music is on all streaming platforms: Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Amazon Music, Pandora, iHeartRadio, Deezer.
Title.
And you just type in Chantelly Lace. So that's SHANTELLY Lace, LACE. And you can find me there. You can also find me on Instagram at Chantelly_Lace, on TikTok at Chantelly_Lace. And then Facebook, it is Chantelly, SHANTLLY Lace, LAC, and then a 3 instead of the E. And then lastly, on Twitter or X, Tellyvizzle, TELLYVIZZLE. So yeah, let's continue.
Then added lemon juice. Again, pour lime juice over the chicken and coat that very well. Then we're going to add the jerk paste that we just made with the sauce pan to the chicken pieces and coat that. Then you can seal a bag or cover the chicken in the pan with plastic wrap. If you use plastic wrap, you're going to poke holes in plastic wrap or aluminum foil with a knife. And then also, be sure to poke holes in the chicken. That's what makes the term jerk chicken, is poking holes in the chicken. Tonight we are going to cook the jerk chicken for 3 hours, but there's different steps we're going to do for each hour. Our oven is cooking for 350 Fahrenheit. In the meantime, we're keeping the remaining marinade in a small saucepan. By the second hour, you can tell that the chicken is done. Some people take theirs out after 50 to 60 minutes, but like I said, I cooked mine for 3 hours. Now I'm jerking the chicken some more, poking holes in it so that the marinade can soak into the chicken more. So you know that the chicken is done when the juices run clear and it's not pink. And with the knife, when the knife tip is inserted into both the chicken breast or thigh. Now that we have jerked the chicken more, we're going back up to our saucepan and adding more of the marinade glaze over the chicken. You can use this recipe for chicken breast, chicken thighs, chicken wings, chicken legs. Most popular is chicken breast and chicken wings. That's what the kind that you usually get in restaurants. I came across chicken thighs one day when I was experimenting, and I found that the meat is juicier in the thighs than in breast, so it's whatever your preference. I like it all. Now that we're finished adding more of the marinade to the chicken, we can put the chicken back in for the 3rd hour to cook. After the 3rd hour, you can go ahead and eat the chicken right away for dinner. I usually save a second batch and let it marinate all night so that the next day it'll be even spicier. It also goes well with steamed broccoli, cauliflower and butter, or Italian pasta salad. For sides, I cook sweet corn, garlic mashed potatoes, head rolls.
And thank you guys so much. Click like on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon, okay? Love you guys.
Chantilly.